Hey everybody, so it's the same day for me, different day for you. I decided that I'm gonna make a video on how to flush a Seadoo Sportster because it's a bit different than all the other boats I've ever had. So the first thing you gotta do is turn on your battery. Second thing you do is you hook up your hose. Now there's a little hose connector right here at the back of the boat. What you do is you actually hook your hose up to it. If you have a quick disconnect, like a garden hose quick disconnect, makes it a lot easier. Then once you have your hose hooked up, you start your motor. Once your motor's running, you go over and you turn on the water. Very, very important to start the motor before you turn on the water. It's also very, very important to turn off the water before you turn off the motor. These boats actually have water-cooled exhaust systems. Something else I like to do is when I'm waiting for the water to stop running out, I'll actually put it into gear so that I can rev the motor. And what that does is it clears all the water out of the back of it, and you just shut it down. If you like this video, please press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. This is CustomWerks, and I will see you guys soon.